Hi, my name is Ariel. I'm modeling these amazing boots for Leviticus Fashion today. They're working with the Justice Project, and I'm super excited to be involved in their work because I am also a law student and a nonprofit executive of my own organization in Philadelphia that's creating a network for homeless individuals to seek the resources they need. So I'm just so glad to be involved with a brand that's doing this type of great work and to be wearing these wonderful fashionable boots. The name of my organization is A Friend in Need Philadelphia. We can link you on to our Instagram and our Facebook page. You can check out what we're doing. But we're creating a network of businesses and community organizations that will help people on the streets find transportation and phone lines to get to the crisis centers, shelters, and food banks that they need. Check out the links down below to donate and get involved. There's a lot of people out there who need help, and every cent and every person out there can help. We are so excited to have you involved and learn about our work here. Thank you.